one. That one right there.
Oh, look at that one.
Look, he went in the bird. He went in the hole down in the bird.
You're good luck. That one right there.
He saw me.
He saw a rat.
He's like, where'd he
He
go?
saw a rat.
Right there. See the tail sticking out right here? Look, they're all messing with him. I know, they're all messing with him. He's going to get mad again, watch. They're trying to come in from the other way, and they're like, I'm going to get this. You're not keeping it for yourself. He's going to dig away to it, look. He's not going to let him just have that. Look, look, they're going to start getting to fighting.
Digging his way to it.
Fight his tail.
Hit his tail.
Mama,
He's running away. He got under. Mama, he got under.
I see, he's going to dig up from the other way.
He's like, how does this crazy thing work? He's trying to dig in.
Want to go down there?
No, if you want to go down, you can go get in there and look up. You can go inside there. You want.
Let's go down there.
I'm not digging.
Look, he's still trying to dig.
Abby, if you
throwing
were
dirt.
there, they were chasing
throwing
you
dirt.
like that.
He's down there sleeping with the because I don't see him moving.
Oh, look at this little hand.
Look at those.
He wants that bird. He's not moving. Huh?
Because he's got it hid perfect. He don't want them to share. Under this rock right here with this one.
He's trying to. See, they're looking under the log. He's lookout right there. Oh, look, he's lookout. Three of them. It's only two that are trying to. Look, he's got his eye on an airplane. See, look, he's looking at an airplane.
Uh-oh, now a bunch of them.
Yeah, they're not going to let him free. He's got to share.
Oh, look at that one right there.
I know, he's almost to him. This is so funny.
Hit his tail, bite his tail. That's what I would do.
He's going to make it. Look, he's getting closer and closer. They're growling. You hear them growling at each other?
Yeah. Look, that one's John Thomas right there. That one's over there. One got in there. Oh, look at that one. I've never seen him fight over a bird. How are we all just gonna go in that hole? I want one. They look so cute. I want a baby one. Oh, another one. Oh, you're not gonna see the blood. You're not gonna see the blood.
It doesn't hurt.
But we're stupid. It's gonna smell horrible.
Oh, he came out another tunnel. I know. It's like trying to share one candy bar with 20 brothers.
There used to be more Meerkats. Mom, that's a stroke.
No. This is so funny.
Oh, gross! Are you doing that video?
Mm-hmm. I can put it on YouTube so you can have it too.
Let's see how many People like them. Let's put meerkats. That one got the hang of it. They're eating the bird. They're fighting over birds. Because when the bird flew into the window, now it's chasing the bird.
They're feasting on the bird.
Oh, look. He likes wings.
Oh,
One got a bone with
yeah, they just need a fight
Oh,
over
it's
it.
nasty.
They just need to fight over it so they can pluck it. So they can pluck the feathers
Where's the
out.
bird?
Look at him.
What?
He's carrying it around in his hand.
They